Laravel 8, it's not that easy for me to figure out how can I redirect the user after they log in. If they are admin, if they are a normal user, I have been figured out for a couple days or maybe a weeks for this to make it working. And today my code is already working, and I have to say thank you to a couple guys right here. So my code is on GitHub, and you feel free to download that. I'll put download link in the description below, so just feel free to have a look. Anyway, I'm making this a very little project, and it's just a very basic feature that I have here. Anyway, we talk about this later. But if you want to learn what is or how is Fortify login with the Laravel 8, you should have a look Penguin Digital here. He have a very good video about this, so please go and have a look. I copied the code from him as well. Log in with Fortify and redirect to admin panel or to a normal user panel. I get the light from here is laracase.com that run by Jeffrey Way. He is very good, very good. I learned from him a lot by watching the video from laracase.com here. And also to redirect user to a different dashboard, I get from this man here. His name is Brav Sekalin. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce, maybe I'm wrong, but it's Brav Sekalin. His name is Brav Sekalin. I'm sorry if I can't pronounce his name, but you guys can fix that, alright? So I just copy the code here. Not really copy, but just try to figure out how the code here is working look like here. I just copy the way that he coding right here and adapt to my code, which is in here. So you guys just feel free to download that. What you're going to do with the code here is, I'm going to show you right now, is maybe on your case is different, but it's basically is working every time when I try this method. First thing first, I'm on Linux, this is Pop OS, and now I'm going to open up terminal. Then I'm going to store the file of the project files here onto my desktop. So let's cd on the desktop. I'm going to create one of the directory called test. Let's say test1 and cd in test1. Now I'm going to copy this code right here by click on the code here and then copy the link right here. So next thing I do is git clone and then pass the URL, and because I want everything to be inside of this directory, so I'm just press dot. So you can see that I have a little space from here, right? One space from here, and then I press dot, and then I hit enter to clone the file into the directory called test1 here. It's 29,542 files, so it's gonna take me a decade to download the whole thing with this. So I will be back when everything done. So if you really take a look at the date that I'm on today is 28 on October 2020, and the video before that, because just did it today because yesterday was a very difficult for me. My internet connection is very bad and very slow. But anyway, now I repeat the completely the same method that I show you guys. Then now everything is already done. So you see that when I list the file here, you're going to see all the file that I just downloaded from GitHub, from the repo. When we run the script with the Laravel, we're going to do like PHP artisan serve. But what happened right now if I run this command? So I hit enter. You can see that everything is run as normal as I expect. But if I click on this one and it's open up, so you see that I got 500. That because in this step we don't have .env file yet. Alright, so because the GitHub doesn't allow to put .env file, but we have .env.example in here. So let me go back and then we stop the server. So when I list the file here, you can see that I have .env.example. So we're gonna copy this file by the command cp and .env. So we're going to copy it to be .env only, right? We don't have example behind. So the command right here will copy this file. Okay. And then we're going to edit this file. So go ahead and edit the file. So you'll see that at the line database here, I got var www slash, so slash var slash www. This one is my old that live inside my computer, right? You guys cannot use this. So by the way, just let you know first, if anyone use MySQL, all you have to do is you just change right here to MySQL, just like this, and then down here you just put the login credential. But in my case here I use SQLite, so we don't have to do this. I just put it back in the same. All right, then the path right here, you have to put the absolute part on that. So how you know that? What is your absolute part? So you're gonna do like this. Go to the folder here and you type in if you want Linux, like myself. So this is the part that you're going to put in. So copy that and pass it right here. So you can see that here we have an absolute part to our DB file. Now let's try again. PHP Horizon serve. So let's go back. See what the next error that we have. A, no application encryption key has been specified. So this one is not difficult. Let's go back to our code again. Stop the server. Now all you have to do, you type in PHP Horizon key generate, and then you hit enter. So you're going to get this application key set successfully. Now let's run the command again, PHP Horizon serve, and go to your application. So if you get this page, it means it's working great though. Now let's go visit. This is about page. It's just only one record that I have here. So now let's go to the login page. If we don't have an account, just register here. So get register. I'll put my name. So after register, it's going to take you to this page. So this one is only member section only, right? You can edit your profile, and then my password is password. Update. So you see that my name is already changed here. Okay. I can post something, and if it's fail, it's going to return like this. So this is because the body is very short. So let's make it longer. Now let's do it again. You see that my post is right here. I can edit that. I can update it. So that will be another error. That because it's too short, we need longer. You can see it by the code view in here. Or if you are somebody who want to trigger something right here, I'm going to put the script text in here. I have some script here that will make a little bit alert tag. Let's see how it's works. Bam, it's working, right? Okay, now let's test it if it's really working. Where's my script? It's here. I have the script here, but the script is already gone. What about if I want to put the photo in here? Let's find some picture. Red car is beautiful. So copy image location. Put an image in here. Insert image. Yeah, I got a car right here. So let's update. You can see my beautiful car is shown right here, except the script is gone. Now log out and log in back as an admin. Well, this error. I think I don't have the admins in here, so let's find. Our database is on desktop, DB, and I believe this one is DB sample. Okay, let's make file 22. So let's make him as the admin. So admin 1, apply, control and save. Okay, now we have admin is file 22, admin.me, and the password is password login. Okay, you can see that it's a little bit changed now. My window is already changed. See, this is admin page. This one is free template. You guys can download it. They provide. So from the website. You guys can get it. It's right here where I downloaded. So what the admin can do, he can do everything. So you can delete that if you want to. So this one is actually private from Mrs. Jenny. So let's edit that. Let's make it public. Post. Oh yeah, it's too short. Let's put some more thing in here. Okay, hopefully this is going to work. Now post. Okay, and that edit. So let's see if it's changed. Oh, right here. So that would be a little bit of bug too. You can see that when I update this one, it's actually from Miss Jenny before, but this one is already changed to mine. So that is the bug. So we're going to fix that later. Anyway, delete that. So you can delete that. All right, that will be all. So if you download this, this is how you're going to do that. All right, and they show you that you can log in with a multiple role user too, and it's working now. All right, so from now on, what you want to do, you go ahead and do that. So that is how you're going to make it. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again later. Bye.